In this video, I'll try to explore what the Adobe Photoshop Generative Fill new feature is all about. You can only find this new feature in your Adobe Photoshop beta, and you can't find it in your latest Adobe Photoshop 2023. No, you can't. So for you to get your Adobe Photoshop beta, you need to either install it from your Creative Cloud package, or you go to Adobe Suite website and download and install. So what is this Adobe Photoshop Beta Generative Fill is all about? So I want you to think of it like your chat GPT, which we all know is for word generation, to generate new words or sentence or definitions or concepts. Now, you can also think of it as the Midjourney platform where you can easily generate visual art for your project or for any creative you are working. The Adobe Photoshop Generative Fill is quite interesting and very interactive. As you can see in this video, all I just needed to do is just give it some prompt. Generative Fill will automatically fill in the object I want it to fill it in. With this new feature of Adobe Photoshop Beta, a lot of creative or creators have come to a stage where their time will be saved in such a way that you wouldn't have to go to iStock or Adobe stock platform where you download images first, then you now take it to your workspace to edit and manipulate and use for your project. I think with this, I give it a thumbs up for Adobe Photoshop for doing this, and it's quite a good one. Yeah, really a good one.